This is the Lone Crater YouTube. We hope this video helps.
You start by preparing OBS and a TTS engine. This lets you test without interrupting live output. Open OBS and create a fresh scene, then add a browser source or choose a plugin path, OBS WebSocket if you plan automation. Once done, pick the TTS voice you want, because voice choice affects pacing and clarity. Configure sample rates to match OBS audio and enable monitoring so you can hear output. This ensures sync and prevents feedback during later steps. Next, add the TTS element to your scene and configure routing. If using a browser source, load the local TTS HTML file or plugin page, then set width, height, and FPS to reduce CPU load. If using a dedicated plugin, follow its add source flow and assign the voice and language. Make sure the TTS audio goes to a monitored output or a virtual audio device. This lets OBS capture it as an audio source and makes mixing, filters, and volume control straightforward. Finally, mix and test thoroughly to finish setup. Add filters, compressor, and EQ to match your microphone tone, and set gain so TTS isn't louder than you. Record a short clip or use studio mode. Listen for latency and adjust buffer or sample rate if needed. If you hear echoes or no sound, make sure routing goes to the virtual device OBS expects and disable dual monitoring to avoid loops. One key tip: check sample rate mismatches between OBS and your TTS source first.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.